We have to assemble snow plower. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Snow plower. Pump. Hooray! Let's clear the square from the snow. We need to wash. Snow plower. We did it! We need to assemble cherry picker truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Cherry picker truck. Press the pump. Done! Let's place lights on the Christmas tree. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. We need to assemble mini loader. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Mini loader. Pump. Don't stop. And now let's decorate the Christmas tree with ornaments. Let's wash. Mini loader. We did it!